Know your marine stuff.
Condition-based monitoring system. This question comes in oral exams very frequently. Question: what is condition-based monitoring system? It is monitoring of parameters or condition of machinery such as vibration, temperature, etc., in order to identify a significant change which is indicative of a developing fault.
It is a major component of preventive maintenance.
Structure of condition monitoring system. Fixed installed system. System with portable measuring equipment. Sampling system. Example: oil sampling.
It is recommended to include condition-based monitoring into planned maintenance system.
Condition-based maintenance is also known as predictive maintenance. Onboard maintenance is of three types: reactive, preventive, and condition-based.
Maintenance. A predictive approach can be applied to any equipment problem if 1. A physical parameter like vibration, temperature, pressure, voltage, current, or resistance can be measured.
2. An engineering limit for measured physical parameter must be established so a problem can be detected during routine monitoring.
3. The limit should be low enough to detect the problem before excessive damage occurs. Correcting of the root problem is the key to the most predictive effort. Drawbacks of planned maintenance system.
Unskilled labor plus time-based inspection have contributed to 1. Maintenance includes failures. 2. Unnecessary work. 3. Extreme workload. 4. Unnecessary investment in redundancy. The common method of condition-based monitoring systems are
1. Infrared thermography. 2. Vibration analysis. 3. Oil analysis. 4. Power quality analysis. 5. Acoustic analysis.
Infrared thermography.
The amount of radiation emitted by an object increases with temperature. Therefore, thermography allows 1. To see variation in temperature. When viewed with thermographic camera, warm objects stand out well against cooler backgrounds.
The image shows thermal imaging of electric motor.
Vibration analysis.
Vibration refers to mechanical oscillations about an equilibrium point. Rotating machinery has a characteristic vibration pattern depending upon the location. The vibration data is collected. Any change to these vibration pattern will indicate the nature and severity of defect, such as misalignment of shafts, bearing and footing, etc.
In vibration analysis, a transducer converts mechanical motion to electrical signal.
The electrical signals are then plotted on amplitude versus frequency plots.
These plots are then used to predict the source of vibration.
Oil analysis.
Oil analysis is sampling and laboratory analysis of lubricants' properties. Suspended contaminants. Wear debris.
The study of wear in a machinery is called tribology. Tribologists often perform or interpret oil analysis data. Oil analysis can be divided into 3 categories.
1. Analysis of oil properties including those of the base oil and its additives. 2. Analysis of contaminants. 3. Analysis of wear debris from machinery. Advantages of CBM.
1. Reducing capital cost. 2. Reducing maintenance cost. 3. Reducing energy cost. 4. Reduce the cost of costly business interruptions. 5. Reduce the risk of fire and safety. 6. Reduce the risk of code violations. 7. Early warning of problems. 8. Reduction in spare parts consumption. 9. Class approval as an alternative to opening up machines for inspection. 10. The work is planned, and crew has suitable working hours. 11. Reduce the number of work orders, because unnecessary inspections and over-maintenance is avoided. Disadvantages of CBM.
1. Initial cost of CBM is high. 2. It required improved instrument installation. 3. Required skilled labor to interpret data collected by CBM. 4. CBM can't be used as independent maintenance program, it has to be used with planned maintenance system.
Question for you.
Where you can use vibration analysis on board your vessel. Please reply in comment section of the video.
Please like and subscribe our channel.
Press the bell icon for latest video notifications.